Yesterday I did some testing with the tractor controlling the steering while it was up on jacks, as you can see. This is a video that I'm going to play here and let you see some of the results of that, and then I'll come back and explain it. Now we're going to turn slight right. You can see there, just a little bit over. Now we're going to do a hard right, about 45 degrees. That wobbling on center, we need to adjust the PID, but we're not going to do that today. Now we're going slight left. Back to center, hard left. So what we were running was a combination of programs, and let me just share with you, this is the folder in the repository. It was a combination of this, what we'll call the Pure Pursuit controller, and this script called the jack stand steer test. Now let me go back to that. That was going through these test cases, and what you'll see in the test case is not only a description of the test case, but this value, this 8, this 45, -8, -45. And what that is a bearing offset relative to heading. And you might say, well, that's a pretty unusual piece of data, but in reality, what we were testing is this Pure Pursuit controller. So I was trying to, before I run an actual mission using this controller, was to confirm that a number of components were working together, which we were able to successfully do. This is also in the repository, and it's a graph of the flow of data from the base station to correction data coming into the tractor, and then this Pure Pursuit controller, which is going to take the current position and heading along with a mission file, and it's going to output a steer angle first in the nomenclature of +1 for full left and -1 for full right, and then that will get converted at my low-level controller into a value that is linked to the physical tractor, which is the potentiometer that's measuring the physical angle of the wheels. So effectively, what I was able to do yesterday was to use this controller, feed it that angle data, and it calculated turning the tractor left and right. So what that sets me up to do is to run this mission, which is a very simple mission. What that looks like, lat long, is just to come down here to make a left-hand turn and to come back. Very, very simple. Nothing very complicated for the first mission that we're gonna attempt to run. So there's other stuff I could go into more detail, but this is a full flow of the navigation, and all of these components have been tested now as best we can, and so the next step is to get out there and give it a whirl.